The biggest story of this hour, which is just breaking. Now, first reactions coming in from the cast and crew of the Amazon Prime series Tandav. After facing several calls for ban, several FIRs and a summon by the INB ministry now, the cast and crew of Tandav has now come out with a release. That press release talks about an apology. For more on that, we've got Rohit Khilani joining us with the very latest. Rohit, not a very long message there, a short message. The most significant part being the last line, which says that the cast and crew of Tandav take cognizance of the concerns expressed by the people and unconditionally apologize if it has unintentionally hurt anybody's sentiments.
Of any individual caste, community, race, religion or religious beliefs. Obviously, with all the events that unfolded from this morning, FIR in Mumbai, FIR in Lucknow, we also saw a jeep has left with cops from Lucknow for Mumbai, and it's become such a big political issue. This was clearly, it seemed like they thought this was the only way to go and, to apologize and make sure the controversy dies down. We still don't know whether it will die down with this apology because the FIRs are registered. One in Mumbai's Ghatkopar by BJP politician Ram Kadam, and also one in Lucknow, which Alok Pandey was reporting earlier on. But, left with very few options, this is the breaking news that they've issued an apology and made it very clear that this was a work of fiction. They didn't want to hurt anyone, and any resemblance is purely coincidental, and that's what they want to make their stand clear, at least so that if this becomes a big deal and it goes to the court and if they have to face the law, they will say that we issued an apology. They are just playing by the books and clearly advised by the lawyers, looks like, and they have now issued an apology.
Right. And Rohit, the next step perhaps for the cast and crew will be to prepare what their response will be to the INB ministry, because while the rest of the cases are FIRs, etc., they will take their time, but what their response is to the ministry will be key.
Absolutely. And, that will be key. And also, I think now they have to just stick to this statement which they've issued. I'm told the makers have gotten together. They had a meeting. They were deciding what to do and how to take this ahead because this was just not ending. So I think they will just stick to this entire statement that this was a work of fiction and that's how it should be taken. And, that's how films are made. That's how web series are made. Clearly, it's written by an extremely talented writer, Gaurav, and also made by a great team of. These are the people who have done a lot of work in Bollywood. They are not newcomers. Even including Saif Ali Khan, the lead actor. Clearly, they knew what they were doing while they were shooting this.
Right. Rohit, last question to you. How exactly are the numbers on Tandav doing at this point? Many saying online that this controversy has only bumped up the numbers at the moment and people only curious to know why there are those select few who are asking for a ban.
Most definitely. And, even those who had not watched it went online today and, and even tweeted and said, okay, we watched 2 episodes and we found something and we didn't find something. But bottom line is that they are going and they are watching and they are giving them the much needed numbers.
All right, Rohit Khilani, thank you so much for bringing us that big breaking news at this point. First reactions coming in from the cast and crew, and they have given out an apology in case their entire series hurt any sentiments. Let's quickly give you a flashback into what has happened on this story so far. Well, so far, we know that the series is now facing criminal action with the Uttar Pradesh police filing a case against the makers and the streaming service as well, that's Amazon Prime in this case, over alleged insult to Hindu gods and a top aide warning of arrest as well. The case was filed hours after the centre's Ministry of Information and Broadcasting reportedly sought a response from Amazon Prime on the complaint filed by another BJP Maharashtra MLA Ram Kadam. The director, producer, writer of the series, along with Amazon's head for India content, has now been accused in a case for promoting religious enmity and also causing chaos there. Now, the complaint has been filed at 2 places. There is one FIR in Lucknow, in Hazratganj, and the other one that has been filed in Mumbai as well. But let's talk about what happened in UP first. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's media advisor Shalabh Mani Tripathi shared a copy of that FIR on Twitter. And let's bring out that graphic for you as well. He wrote in Hindi saying that there is no tolerance for playing with people's sentiments in Yogi Adityanath's Uttar Pradesh. A serious case has been registered against the entire team of Tandav, which is spreading hate in the guise of cheap web series. Be prepared for arrest, he threatened in that tweet. Now, a few hours later, he also went ahead and said that Mr. Tripathi, who is the director, who is actually Mr. Tripathi, who named the director as well, Ali Abbas Zafar in this case, the producer as well, the writer as well, all of them, and said that be prepared to pay a price for hurting religious sentiments. He took it even a step further, making the matter political by tagging then the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, saying that UP has left for Mumbai. A team from UP has already left for Mumbai, he said, and hope you will not come to their rescue, meaning the rescue of the Tandav series. So that's what's been happening in the case so far. There has also been a reaction coming in from one of the Madhya Pradesh ministers, Vishwas Kailash Sarang, who wrote a letter to the Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar here in the centre, requesting him for a ban on the series as well. And that minister now joins us live on the program today to try and understand what exactly is it that he holds against this series. Let me quickly go across to Mr. Kailash first. All right, before I do that, let me introduce the rest of the panel. We have Rajesh Singh joining us, film producer. We have Harshita Khaitan, also somebody who has been in reality shows earlier. Tehseen Poonawalla as well, also political analyst, also has his own stint on various OTT platforms. Let me first bring in a word from Rajesh Singh. Your view, sir, on this political Tandav that is being played out at the moment.
किसी भी हालत में इस तरह की इजाजत नहीं देता, कोई समाज इजाजत नहीं देगा कि आप उसके धर्म से खिलवाड़ करिए। मैं खुद फिल्म प्रोड्यूस किया हूं और अनवर जैसी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस किया हूं और बहुत सेंसिबली फिल्म थी जिसमें मुस्लिमों की किस तरह से उनको परेशानी आ रही उस पर फिल्म बनाया था मैंने। लेकिन आज इस तरह की जफर ने जो फिल्म बनाई है वेब सीरीज, इतनी खराब तरह से शिव को जो है उन्होंने चित्रित किया है कि आपके फॉलोअर जो है राम से कम है, राम के फॉलोअर ज्यादा हैं। इस तरह की हरकत किसी तरह से सभ्य समाज में क्षम्य नहीं है। तो हमको ये बात समझनी चाहिए।
तो राजेश जी, आज मैं आपकी बात ठीक से समझ पा रही हूँ, आपको आपत्ति सिर्फ उस सीन से है जिसमें जो मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट है वो स्टेज पे जाके एक शिव के अवतार में बात करते हैं एंड दे क्रैकिंग अ जोक एट दैट पॉइंट। आपको आपत्ति उस जोक से है?
उस जोक से है, और वो जोक किसके लिए बनाया गया उस पर है। उस जोक का आधार हमारे देवी देवता नहीं हो सकते। किसी भी फिल्म को इतना सेंसिबल होना, हम सिनेमा को प्यार करते हैं लेकिन हम लाड नहीं करते। लाड करने के लिए हमारे पास समय नहीं है। हम सिनेमा को अच्छी सिनेमा देखते हैं, अच्छी सिनेमा बनाना की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन इस तरह की हरकत जो होगी उस पर FIR होना चाहिए, वेब सीरीज पर बैन होना चाहिए।
All right, very strong comments there. Let me also bring in now Vishwas Kailash Sarang, Minister in the Madhya Pradesh government. Thank you for speaking with NDTV, sir. I really want to understand from you, सिर्फ इतना जानना चाहते हैं सबसे पहले कि आपको क्या आपत्ति है इस सीरीज से?
देखिए, ये बहुत आपत्तिजनक है कि इस देश में लगातार बहुसंख्यक समाज की भावनाओं को आहत किया जाता है। हिंदू देवी देवताओं का मजाक उड़ाया जाता है, उन पर कमेंट किए जाते हैं। शिव जैसे स्वरूप जिसकी हम सब पूजा करते हैं उसको लेकर जो किया गया, उनके त्रिशूल को लेकर आपत्तिजनक बातें हैं। ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है। और देखिए, केवल यही मामला नहीं है। हम देख रहे हैं OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर लगातार जिस प्रकार से कहीं गाली गलौज की बात आती है, कहीं अश्लीलता परोसी जाती है, अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता का नाम लेकर, और मनोरंजन की आड़ में घरों को बिगाड़ने का काम हो रहा है। बहुसंख्यक समाज की भावनाओं को इस तरह से खिलवाड़ ठीक नहीं है।
सर, अगर आप लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे हैं तो बहुत सारी और सीरीज हैं जहां पर इससे भी बुरी लैंग्वेज यूज करी जा रही है।
देखिए, जो भी हिंदू की भावनाओं को आहत करेगी, बहुसंख्यक समाज की भावनाओं को आहत करेगी, वो अलाउड नहीं होनी चाहिए। इसीलिए मैंने आज इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्टर को भी पत्र लिखा है कि कहीं ना कहीं इसको लेकर सेंसरशिप होनी चाहिए। देयर शुड बी सम रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन जिसके माध्यम से ये निश्चित हो सके कि इस तरह कहीं ना कहीं तो हम आचार संहिता का पालन करें। और मैंने अमेज़न के जो सीईओ हैं उनको भी मेल किया है, और ये सुबह ही मैंने बोला था कि यदि आप इसकी आलोचना नहीं करेंगे, इसको बैन नहीं करेंगे, इसके दृश्य नहीं हटाएंगे, तो हम अमेज़न को लेकर
मैं आपको इसमें क्विक अपडेट दे देती हूँ।
बहिष्कार
हम आपको एक इसमें अपडेट दे देते हैं। हमारे कॉलीग के रोहित खिलानी, उन्होंने अभी अभी ये खबर ब्रेक करी है कि एक फाइनल प्रेस रिलीज आ गया है तांडव मूवी के कास्ट एंड क्रू से, और उन्होंने अपनी अपॉलॉजी भी सामने करी है। क्या दैट अपॉलॉजी इज नॉट इनफ एट दिस पॉइंट?
नहीं, देखिए, मेरा ये मानना है केवल अपॉलॉजी करने से कुछ नहीं होगा। उनको ये सुनिश्चित करना पड़ेगा कि वो जो भी दृश्य गलत है वो हटाए जाए, और अमेज़न हो या बाकी ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पर ये भी सुनिश्चित करना होगा कि इसकी पुनरावृत्ति ना हो। ऐसे हिंदू देवी देवताओं के साथ यदि ऐसी अनर्गल बातें होंगी तो वो इस देश में सहन नहीं की जाएंगी।
पर सारंग जी, मैं आपसे जान सकती हूँ कि आपने सीरीज देखी है?
मैंने सीरीज पूरी तो नहीं देखी है, पर उसके जो दृश्य हैं उसके विषय में मैंने देखा। आप यदि वो देखेंगे तो पूरी देखने की हिम्मत नहीं होगी आपकी। मैंने स्वयं देखी, पर मैं पूरी वो दृश्य देख भी नहीं पाया हूँ।
नहीं, देखिए, मैंने तो देखी है क्योंकि मुझे इस पर डिबेट करना था, तो मैंने तो एज अ सब्जेक्ट मैंने देखा है। और अगर आप वल्गैरिटी की बात कर रहे हो, लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे हैं, इससे बहुत ज्यादा वल्गर लैंग्वेज दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म से भी अवेलेबल है, दूसरी सीरीज में भी अवेलेबल है, तो उसको हटा देते हैं। मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ आपको, तो आपने जो पहला एपिसोड है, पहले 2 एपिसोड जिसके ऊपर आपत्ति हो रही है, क्या आपने वो खुद देखे हैं? आपको क्या आपत्तिजनक लगा उसमें?
लेट मी फिनिश। मेरे को बात कर ले दीजिए पूरी। आपने ये बोला यदि दूसरे पे वर्गलिटी है या दूसरे पे इससे ज्यादा है तो इसको चलने दिया जाए, आप ये बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ इसको चलने दीजिए। मैं कहीं फिर आप सबका एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर होना चाहिए ना। अगर आप कह रहे हैं वल्गैरिटी है तो फिर वो सबके ऊपर अप्लाई होनी चाहिए।
मेरे आपत्ति लेने पर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं या ये गलत बनी उस पर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं? मुझे बड़ा आश्चर्य लग रहा है।
सर, मैं आपसे सिंपली पूछ रही हूँ, आप मुझे ये बताइए क्या आपत्तिजनक था पहले 2 एपिसोड्स में? कैसा क्या आपत्तिजनक लगा?
पूरा शिव जी के ऊपर आपत्तिजनक बात है, शिव के त्रिशूल पर आपत्तिजनक बात है। और देखिए, यदि यही वेब सीरीज नहीं, इसके अलावा जो वेब सीरीज में ऐसा है उस सबका हम विरोध करते हैं। इसीलिए मैंने इसमें बाय एंड लार्ज आईबी मिनिस्टर को लिखा है कि देयर शुड बी सम रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, देयर शुड बी सम सेंसरशिप। ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म इस ढंग से बिना किसी सीमा में रहते हुए, बिना किसी नियंत्रण के यदि काम करेंगे तो ये समाज के लिए ठीक नहीं है। गाली गलौच होती है, आप बाकी सीरीज देखिएगा, सीधे गालियां दी जाती हैं जो हमारे घरों में नहीं चलती। हम अपने बच्चों के साथ बैठकर ऐसी अश्लीलता नहीं देख सकते। अब यदि आप इसको अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता बोल देंगे तो फिर भगवान माले के।
अच्छा सारंग जी, हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा। तहसीन पूनावाला भी हमारे साथ है। तहसीन, you just heard Mr. Sarang, and what I gathered from him was that yes, he has a problem with the portrayal of what happened in the first 2 episodes. Ironically, you know, the character he's opposing, his name is only Shiva, and he's shown as this very righteous guy who's very idealistic in his approach. So that being said, he also has a problem with which the politicians have been portrayed in general across party lines in that series.
It's amazing that the honorable minister has not seen the series, but he's offended by something he's not seen. And that's typically of this present government. So I spent a lot of time just now before coming on NDTV wondering why they're doing this. And there are 2 reasons. One, that please understand that they want to divert from the Arnab issue, and they want to divert from China that has built its villages inside Arunachal, which is an NDTV exclusive. So they don't want to question on that. So this is entire diversion. But it's a larger issue. You see, this government is it's clamped down on our freedom. We can't decide what to eat. We can't decide who to date. Now we can't decide what to watch. And they dream of wanting to make India superpower. Movie, freedom of speech, art. If you don't like something, don't watch it, said Justice Chandrachud.
That's
These
right.
are the same bigots in the BJP.
Just
the
for the
same
benefit
bigots.
of my
And I'm
viewers,
very
let me
clear.
just underline what you've said. I'll come back to you, Tehseen.
Sure.
Supreme Court had earlier, there was another series that was contested, another series that went to court, etc. And there the Supreme Court made it very clear, if you don't like it, don't watch it. Why is that not being picked up as a precedent over here? That is the question. Tehseen, please go complete your point.
Exactly. The idea of art, of cinema, of books, of paintings is that how can a painting in an art gallery, how can a news channel on a TV, on a TV, how can a movie in a theater offend you? If you don't like it, don't watch it. Walk out of the theater, switch off the TV series, don't walk out, close the book. Walk out of the art gallery. But the idea to arrest people, the idea to come down heavily, the idea to curtail our freedoms, the idea to control, this is the idea of destroying the constitution. We are not heading towards an emergency. Please understand, Sonal. We are living the dictatorship.
Let me get a quick response. Let me get a quick response from Rajesh, then I'll go to Harshita as well. Rajesh ji, you just heard what Tehseen was also saying. My point is very simple. Aren't you deceiving or sort of, in a way, not understanding what you're also doing with this series? Just because now there is opposition, more and more people want to watch it now. There are people curious out there saying, what is the big deal? Let me go watch it.
देखिए, दो चीज है. समय हर समय बदलता है. आज समय बदल गया है. आज भाईचारा और एकता के नाम पर जो बेवकूफ बनाया गया वो अब नहीं चल रहा. हमको ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं चाहिए. क्या हम डायरेक्टर साहब से पूछे या पूनावाला साहब से पूछे, वो हिम्मत जुटाते हैं कि आज तक मोहम्मद साहब पर फिल्म क्यों नहीं बनी? क्यों भगवान राम और शिव को मजाक बनाया जाएगा? ये अब चलने वाला नहीं है. ये सब दो सिद्धांत चलने वाला नहीं देश में.
पर सर आप ये लोगों के ऊपर सर पर आप मत देखिए. आर्ग्यूमेंट तो ये है ना, अगर आपको नहीं पसंद आ रही है, अगर आपकी भावनाएं हर्ट हो रही हैं, तो आप मत देखिए इस सीरीज को. ये कोई बात नहीं हुई. आप दुनिया भर की गंदी फिल्में टीवी इस पे आ रही हैं कि आप अपने बच्चों को देखने देंगी? आप चाहती है कि मोबाइल स्कूलों में बैन हो? आप चाहते हैं कि गलत ब्लू फिल्म न दिखाई जाए कहीं पर, तो आप उसको बैन चाहते हैं? आप तो दूसरी टैंजेंट पे जा रहे हैं. आप बहुत ही दूसरी टैंजेंट पे जा रहे हैं. One second, I have to bring in Harshita. She hasn't spoken. Harshita, please, quickly go ahead with your comments, please.
Yeah, I just want to make a very normal point that I'm born in a Hindu Brahmin family, and I've seen Shiva. I've seen my belief is very strong, and no book, no person, and no series can hurt my sentiments. That's the very fact. And I've seen Bollywood showing dacoits committing cruelty, and still they worship Ma Kali. But I understand even the bad people have their sentiments, their faiths. So let it be. If this series, if the person is wrong, and he's a bhakt of Shiva, and still he's not doing right things, we'll understand. Okay, he's a bad person, and still he has some belief, and let it be. So I think for the very extremely bad, and if there's something is hurting our sentiments, whether it's of Hindu, Muslim, or any caste or creed, it should be banned. It should be banned before being released. Where's the censor? That is the thing. If I'm not liking things, definitely I'm not gonna watch. But if it's hurting the broader
so you're saying
people,
if there has to be censorship, it should be done before the release? That's the point you're making?
Exactly.
Okay.
What is the need of it?
Okay.
I strongly believe God has created the universe. He has created me, and who the hell I am? How I'm gonna protect my God? I go and beg. I go and pray.
So Harshita is making an interesting point. She's saying, A, I am a strong Shiva believer, and according to me, watching that series did not hurt any of my sentiments, at least. Second, she's saying even if she's raising a question over the entire call for ban altogether, why is it that a product has been created, a piece of art has been made, and then there is sort of uproar about it? Tehseen, quick last word to you, please.
I just want to take Harshita's point a little forward. Bhagwan Shiv's greatest worshipper was Ravan, who we today believe wronged. And we know that he wronged. Yet India is a great land where there are tribes that pray to Ravan. You accept it. There are tribes that obviously, and most of us pray to Ram. You accept it. That's diversity. If you don't like something, switch it off, walk out. What is this business of bullying people, bullying artists? movies is what made India soft power. They are here to destroy India. Sonal, I'm repeating, they're doing this to save Arnab Goswami and to save the embarrassment in Arunachal Pradesh. Mark my words.
All right, we'll have to leave it there at the moment. The breaking news at the moment on this story is that the cast and crew has put out an apology, and we'll have to see what is their response to the government so far.